Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to print double-sided in your Word and how to print on both sides in Microsoft Word. So how to do that? Let's get started. Let's suppose you want to print this, just press Ctrl plus P on your keyboard and it will open like this. Now what you need to do is click on print on one-sided and then just click on print on both sides. Now here you can select from these both. For now we will go with this one, and once you do this, just select the pages you want to print on both sides. For suppose page 1 and 3 I want, so yes, just type 1 comma 3 and then just click on print. Once you do this, it will print on both sides at one time. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so you can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.